What's up, guys? So I have a foam roller right here. So what a foam roller does, it just helps speed up recovery from any type of muscle soreness or tightness known as self-myofascial release or SMR. And what you do is you roll it over those tense area, and it kind of help break up that knot. You can do this before workout to help lengthen your muscles, increase the circulation, lengthen the muscles. Then after workout, pretty much give you that deep tissue massage. And today I think I'm gonna do about 3 quick back foam roll exercise, because most of us have back pain. They say 30% of us have back pain, right? So I'm gonna go over 3 short, quick foam roller exercise for your back. The spinal alignment exercise. This aligns your spine and it helps you release those muscle knots, tightness, and any tension, and also help you with your posture, especially for people who've been sitting for long periods of time. And make sure you avoid going lower than your mid back, which is where your rib cage ends. Now this is called the lats, the side of the back. So this stretch alleviates any tension in the area below your underarms. This also helps improve your posture and improve your mobility in your upper body. And you want to repeat this 2 to 3 times. Now this last one I have for you guys is called the core. Now this exercise strengthens your core, which helps you to support your posture, stability, and alignment. You want to do this for 1 to 3 sets in about 8 to 16 repetitions. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope you get a better understanding the purpose of a foam roller, and you may just want to go purchase one. I mean, you can go to Five Below, Amazon, and like I said, there are various types of foam roll, but I just started with this basic one here. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.